But 3 of Amazon's most popular preserved roses. You can't go wrong with either one of these for a gift. I wanted to find the best possible gift. These are going to be great for Mother's Day, special occasions, milestones. I'm thinking of you, Valentine's Day, Christmas, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to give you everything you could possibly need to know about these, tell you which one is probably going to be best for the occasion you are looking for. So let's just get into it. So these right over here is going to be by FICA. So the FIACO. This is going to be the glass dome right over here. This one is also by FICA. This is going to be the glass angel. And this one right over here is by Encavy, Encavy. This is another glass angel right over here. They all have some major differences, but I'm going to do a quick overview of each and then go over kind of compare them all together. Let's start with this one right over here. So this is the glass dome by FIACO. So right off the bat here, we got a nice little wood going on. For all of these flowers are real and they have been preserved. So they're gonna last about 3 to 5 years. What I like about this over giving flowers is these will last 3 to 5 years. And it's not a huge burden on the person because they don't have to water them, make sure, they wilt eventually, then they start to smell. With this, you just get it, they don't have to water it, it doesn't have to be in the sun, all that stuff right over there. So you got about like 3 main flowers over here and then some surrounding pieces right over here. This also lights up. So you'll see that. This is what it looks like lit up. It could also be used as a nightlight if you wanted to. It would actually make a pretty cool nightlight. This is glass right over here. So really nice, comes packaged well as well. And I think I said these are on batteries. And you will need 3 AAA batteries. It does not come with batteries. So just note that. This also comes with a card right here that says, "Wish you happy every day." Let's jump to the next one. So this is the FIACO. This is the glass angel. So this is glass as well. I really don't have nails, but I think you could hear that. We got this is very similar. We got 1, 2, 3, kind of 4-ish main flowers here. And you'll see right over here, we got the little angel wings, the little halo over here. This is gold, the gold look to it, and so are the tips right over here. This one also lights up. So this is what this one looks like lit up right over here. This one looks really, really nice lit up. If you don't like any of these flower styles, they have all sorts of different flowers as well. So you could pick the one that makes the most sense for you. This one does not require batteries. It has a C battery. So when you get this, you're just gonna pull out the tab, turn it on, and you are good to go. Really, really like this. This is just a really nice look. You got this kind of feltish bottom right over here. So it's not gonna hurt anything if you put it on a table or something like that. This next one right over here, this is by Encavy. So this one, you got the same idea here. This is glass. We got a single rose in here and some surrounding flowers just like that. Also kind of the gold color on the halo in the front here and kind of on the tips of the wings. So this one is a little bit smaller. I think this is about 4 inches by 3 inches. So that's kind of a rundown of each. This one does not come with a card or anything, and it does not light up. This is the box this one comes in. This is kind of the nicest box of the group, kind of get that sparkly feeling going on. So let's kind of go over the biggest differences and the pros and the cons. So I think for this one right over here, we'll just start here, the Encavy. I think this is great if you want to give a small little something. You're not trying to do anything crazy. It's, hey, I'm thinking about you. A little something smaller on that end. Hey, congratulations on this or that. You don't want to kind of go way over the top because it's a little bit smaller, or maybe that person is short on space, but it sends a really nice message. So I would say that is going to be great for that. A little bit more simpler. That box is ready to go. Really nice. I would say if you're kind of going a little bit more substantial, because these have kind of 3 to 4 roses in each, you're going to want to go with one of the FICA ones. The FAICO. And then you have the choice between the glass angel and also this stand right over here. Obviously, major difference. This does not need batteries. This one does need batteries. So if you're kind of concerned about that, if you're kind of just sending it to someone, maybe this one would be the best fit because like it's all ready to go. Whereas this one, they'd kind of have to put the batteries in or have batteries themselves. The bases of these are different. I'm kind of torn. I almost like the one, like how this one lights up. It just looks nicer and cleaner. But I also like the wood as well. So that's something you'd have to weigh. What you think that person would like better. So that's kind of your options right over here. And of course, these both come with cards. You can't go wrong with either one of these. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it the thumbs up. I hope you find that special gift for that special someone and you found this super helpful.